Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a Lightbox in Jotform. A Lightbox is a fantastic way to display your forms as pop-ups on your website, making them more engaging and less intrusive for your visitors. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready so you can access your dashboard without any hiccups. After logging in, you'll land on your Jotform dashboard where all your forms are displayed. Here, you'll need to locate the specific form that you want to turn into a Lightbox. Once you've found it, click on the Edit Form button. This will open up the form editor where you can make various modifications to your form's design and functionality. Now that your form is open in the editor, look toward the top of the page and you'll see a button labeled Publish. Click on this Publish button to access the various options for sharing and embedding your form. This is where Jotform gives you multiple ways to integrate your form with other platforms and websites. Once you've clicked Publish, a menu will appear on the left side of your screen. In this left panel, you'll see several embedding options available. Look for and click on the option that says Embed. This section contains all the different ways you can integrate your form into external websites or pages. Within the Embed section, you'll notice several different embedding methods displayed. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the Lightbox option. Choosing the Lightbox method ensures that your form will appear as an elegant pop-up overlay when visitors interact with a button or link on your website, rather than being embedded directly into the page. After selecting the Lightbox option, Jotform will generate the necessary code for you. You'll see a copy code button appear on your screen. Click on copy code to copy both the embed script and the button or link code to your clipboard. This code is what makes the Lightbox functionality work, so it's essential that you copy it completely. Finally, you'll need to paste this copy code into your preferred website editor. Whether you're using WordPress, Wix, HTML editor, or any other platform, simply paste the code where you want the Lightbox trigger to appear. The code will automatically create the button or link that visitors can click to open your form in a Lightbox overlay. And that's it. You've successfully created a Lightbox for your Jotform. Your visitors can now interact with your form in a clean, professional pop-up format that enhances user experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.